Welcome to our video on how to succeed in network marketing. In this video, we will share key strategies and tips to help you excel in this industry. Network marketing can be a highly profitable business, but it requires the right approach and mindset. We will provide you with valuable insights to set you on the path to success in network marketing. The first key strategy is to choose the right network marketing company. Research and find a company that aligns with your values, offers quality products or services, and has a strong compensation plan. Look for a company with a proven track record and a supportive team that provides training and resources to help you grow your business. Building a strong network is essential for success in network marketing. Connect with people who are interested in your industry and build genuine relationships. Attend industry events, join online communities, and leverage social media platforms to expand your network. Take the time to understand people's needs and offer value to build trust and rapport. One of the key tips for success in network marketing is developing effective communication skills. Listen actively, ask thoughtful questions, and communicate the benefits of your products or business opportunity in a compelling way. Practice your presentation skills and master the art of persuasion. Clear and concise communication will help you build credibility and attract potential customers or business partners. Consistency and persistence are crucial in achieving success in network marketing. Set clear goals and create a daily action plan. Stay committed to taking consistent actions towards your goals, even during challenging times. Keep learning, adapting, and never give up. Success in network marketing is a journey that requires dedication and perseverance. To succeed in network marketing, it's important to focus on providing value and helping others. Identify the needs of your target market and offer solutions through your products or services. Share valuable content, provide support, and be genuinely interested in helping others achieve their goals. By adding value to people's lives, you will build a loyal customer base and attract like-minded individuals to join your network. In conclusion, success in network marketing is attainable with the right strategies and mindset. Choose the right company, build a strong network, develop effective communication skills, be consistent and persistent, and focus on providing value. Remember, network marketing is a journey that requires continuous learning and growth. Implement these strategies and tips, and you'll be well on your way to success in network marketing.